Step into the Nissan 2017 Titan Platinum Reserve. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, Nissan Connect with Sirius XM Navi and mobile apps, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.